Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We've got a classic 1982 yz490. Here's some of the extra parts, that air chamber that they had put on the intake and back in the day. Really decent OEM stock exhaust. Rear wheel, I'm not sure why there's a different wheel on the back. Wheels do look reasonably straight, but spokes do have some rust on them. It's got a DG exhaust on it right now. Seat doesn't have any tears. A lot of good stuff on this bike. Maybe we'd keep this bike together for somebody, but this is what we're looking at. Again, 1982 yz490. For those of you that are into this kind of classic thing. It has the double leading shoe front brake. That was a big deal. Pneumatic cooling system. Let me see if I can get this fired up. It's got really strong compression. In case I lose my camera, remember, look down below and subscribe. Let me get it choked here. Let me jump up there. This thing was scary fast on the test ride, and if you could be standing here on the driveway with me, just the way it rattles this concrete pad when it runs. These big bore two-strokes were definitely something in the day. So cool bike, lots of cool parts. If somebody wants the whole bike, get a hold of me before we get a chance to take it apart. If somebody wants the whole engine, I really prefer to see this whole engine go running somewhere, because it seems to be ready to go. It shifted great, clutch worked great, it idles well. I mean, you can see the bike itself runs great. The forks have some slop in them, the brakes need to be gone through, the rear suspension should be gone through, but the motor itself is really a strong running beast of a machine. I'm trying to think who would have been in the back in the day. Brock Glover would have ridden this bike. So remember, subscribe down below, see what else we're taking apart. Look on eBay, see what we've got for sale, or text me in the contact below and tell me what you need for parts, and let's get you running. Thanks for watching.